Cover, cover, cover. Where are they?
Cover fire!
You guys want to go left?
Sure.
Okay, let's go left. Let's hit them hard in the valley. Just scoop up. Let's just capture as many as possible.
You're missing your Glock mag.
Yeah.
By the way. I know. I decided not to run it at the last minute.
Oh!
Despite nearly losing my SSP-5 sidearm, I quickly readjust and push to the front line.
Bro, I want to get to that base and capture it.
Yeah, but they haven't still to the bottom of that hill. Far down. Hey, fall. Hey!
I'm losing allies fast, and the base I want to capture is swarming with enemies.
Hey!
Outnumbered and overwhelmed, I'm taken down.
Let's push it. Yeah. I have grenades too, so
Okay, cool.
So if we get close, I can just. Where is it? Oh, they changed that to red.
Yeah.
This wall?
Yeah.
This? Not this one.
I want somebody right there.
With one tango down after slicing through the dense pines, we start to gain some ground in the field.
Just all hand.
I'll change it.
Okay, I'll cover you. Moving up this little, okay?
Yep. Let's get that next one here.
Not wanting to lose our momentum, I press forward with my team to secure these critical field bases.
Cover, cover, cover. Where are they?
Cover fire!
Is anyone here?
I've always wanted to do that.
He was right there. Can we get higher?
Huh?
Can we get higher? I want to get up and around. There's a lot of red bases in the back. Can we stay quiet and low move? You want to go? Move like on the field line. The tall grass will cover. I'll watch. Just get to that wall. Where?
Huh?
I hear voices.
As we crest the field, we are met with a fierce defense at the tree line. Looking back, we probably should have low-crawled the boundary to get up and around them rather than take the fight head-on.
Dude, stay low, stay low, stay low.
Oh, there's teams pushing on the side. Push!
Here.
You want to try to get to that tree over there?
Yeah, give me 1 sec.
Somebody's trying to hit us from this left side.
Just let me see what smoke's going.
You know when?
I'm just trying to get some cover.
I don't know where
They're shooting us through
over
this
here.
wall. I don't know why. They're not allowed. It's annoying.
Yeah. Let's try to make it through the hole.
Yeah, but that's a rule not to do that. Why are they shooting? It's that wall. There's a big wall.
On the left here?
Uh-huh.
Right now, we are just in a really bad spot. Due to the high grass, we can't get eyes on any targets, and the enemies have a high ground position that can see the tops of our wall, allowing them to take shots at the edges, hoping to find a mark.
I just don't see anything.
He must be down. Yep. Hit!
Ah.
Hit!
After being taken out, I try once again to push up the field to re-secure the field walls we just lost. With all of this brush, it's almost impossible to track my shots at the moment.
Hit!
Ah. I tried. I'm coming out! Dead man coming out! Dead man coming out! Right. You still in? Oh, it's toasty out there.
Oh my gosh, it's hot.
How y'all doing?
This map is usually really good about not fogging until it's hot like this.
Yeah. Drew, what do you got? Five minutes, geez.
Realizing the field is a lost cause, I decide to push center and make my way to the Western Valley.
Hey, buddy. This one may be in front. Woo! Hey, there's a base right to our left here. Do you think we can get in it? It has a flag.
Right to the left.
Like literally straight. Yeah, you see
Base
it?
over
See
here?
it? Yeah. Here, I'm gonna scooch up. Here, my head's coming up. She say 40 seconds? Oh, hit. Jeez, I thought that was our own team. What? Oh, I see him.
Shortly after I'm hit, the game would come to an end, us losing this match. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and comment what you would have done differently to win this game. Until next time, stay awesome and I hope to see you on my field.